JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning and Citrus Carpet Cleaning Atlanta. It is 9 o'clock on Friday, the 29th. It's our first of 3 jobs today. We've got a set of stairs, a hallway that we're not charging for because it's shorter than 15 feet. Hallway shorter than 15 feet we do not charge for, and then a master bedroom and 2 secondary bedrooms. So like I said, it's 9 o'clock, so we'll knock this out. Probably not going to be much to see when we're done, but we'll shoot it after video anyway. Okay guys, 9:30. Just finished up this 4-area job. 3 bedrooms, hall, stairs. We gave the hallway no charge because it was short, but we do put it on the ticket. Total is going to be $200. We did change our pricing structure a few months ago. We do still charge $40 per area once you get to at least 5 areas. So anything up to 5 is $50 per area. Hence the 4-area job is $200 versus $160. And now we're up to $50 per area, up to 5 areas. So 5 areas is $200. 6 areas or 4 areas is also $200. But some people don't have, but 4 areas. So with the way economy's going, that's what we had to do. So 4 and 5 areas cost the same. Takes about the same amount of time to do anyway, so it's not a big change there, really. But anyway, this is it. Took about 30 minutes. Probably a half a gallon of cleaner because this carpet was not in bad shape. There's some worn areas because the carpet's probably 15 years old. Hasn't been cleaned in 5 years. This is a move out clean. We can help you get into the carpet cleaning business. Most importantly, without a truck mount, without the expense or maintenance, the ongoing maintenance of a truck mount, because that gets costly. We do everything low moisture. No upsells, no per spot fees, no hidden charges. 770-652-0630. On the web, it's Citrus Carpet Cleaning Atlanta, or 770 no steam, because again, we do not use steam. We use a soap-free citrus cleaning solution. So it's 770nosteam.com. This is JR. As always, thanks for watching. Take care, and let us know if we can help you.